So how do we encourage our children when they've got sensory issues to eat healthier snacks and stay away from the sugary stuff that's in the cupboard? So my two children have ADHD and they both really enjoy things like crunchy things like crisps and chewy stuff. You know, they kind of like that sensory feel. So, and it's really hard to get them to eat healthy snacks because the go-to stuff's in a packet and it's always really easy to grab. So I have come up with a solution which I hope would help other people as well. What I do is I do snack prep. So they're put in the door. I mean, obviously they normally have lids on these, but this is just so I can show you. So we have apples and oranges. So apples all washed, just easy grabbable in the door of the fridge. Carrots, obviously peeled and chopped. Cucumber, washed and chopped. And then in the door I have sticks of cheese as well, which is just easy to grab. So on the go snacking. And I normally find that because they're easy to get to, the kids will just go in the fridge, open one of the lids and take out a handful of one of those snacks instead. So I can always try and sort of prompt them to do that and encourage them to eat healthier snacks.